We succeeded in getting the API key from the TMDB website, and we learned about HTTP requests and responses. We succeeded in getting the response of latest movies and popular movies as JSON format. Now, let's dive into the JSON syntax and learn about this amazing lightweight data interchange format. So, what is JSON? JSON JavaScript Object Notation is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for both humans and machines to read and write. JSON data consists of a collection of key value pairs and is often used to represent structured data. Here are the primary elements of JSON. The first element is the array. Array in JSON is an ordered list of values enclosed in square brackets. Arrays can contain values of any type, including strings, numbers, objects, arrays, booleans, and null. The second element is objects. An object in JSON is an unordered collection of key value pairs enclosed in curly braces. Each key is a string, and the keys are unique within an object. Values can be strings, numbers, objects, arrays, booleans, null, or any other JSON object. The third element is the key. A JSON object contains a key that is just a string. Pairs of key value make up a JSON object. Each key is a string that represents the name of the data item, and the value can be of any JSON data type. Key value pairs are separated by colons. The value. Each key has a value that could be string, integer, or double, and any other data type in JSON. Let's deep dive into these elements. Let's start with the keys. As mentioned before, in JSON, keys must be strings written with double quotes. For example, this name is included in double quotes and of type string. So the name represents a key. JSON value. Values must be one of the following data types: a string, a number, an object, an array, a boolean, or null. In JSON, string values must be written with double quotes. For example, heal. JSON objects. JSON object literals are surrounded by curly braces. JSON object literals contains key value pairs. Key and value are separated by a colon. Keys must be strings and values must be a valid JSON data type: string, number, object, array, boolean, and null. Each key value pair is separated by a comma. You can see this comma. So each key value pair is separated by a comma. JSON arrays. Arrays in JSON are almost the same as arrays in JavaScript. In JSON, array values must be of type string, number, object, array, boolean, or null. In a JSON file, square bracket represents a JSON array. So in this video, we learned about the JSON syntax and we learned about the elements, the arrays, objects, key value, and values. In the next video, we'll learn how to prettify the response, how to read the response from the website, from the TMDB into objects or plain JSON format, file formats in order to read them.